So many people are still sleeping on Facebook. And if you're currently doing Facebook monetization and you think it's hard right now, it's probably not because Facebook has changed. It's because you're thinking about it in the wrong way. I've been working on social platforms for over 15 years now. I've watched Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, all of them go through cycles and algorithm shifts. And without fail, every single time that a platform makes an update or some sort of a change, you have people that are new to the game shouting from the rooftops, Facebook is dead, monetization is over, it's too hard right now, this doesn't work anymore. And the truth is, Facebook monetization isn't hard, it's just misunderstood. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to think about Facebook in the right way, especially if you want this to be a job and not a short-term side hustle. So here's the first mindset shift that you need to understand. Facebook is no longer a social platform. It is actually a media platform. The old Facebook was about friends, followers, and who you know in your network. And the new Facebook is about content matching and reaching people who are outside of your current followers. Now, Facebook's job is simple, and that is to keep people scrolling, show them content that they like, and run more ads. And that's it. Now, your job as a content creator isn't to just build a following first. Your job is to help Facebook match your content to the right viewer. If Facebook can consistently say, people who like this will also like this, you're going to get pushed, and if you can't give those signals to Facebook, then you aren't. That's the entire game. So now let's talk about the elephant in the room. I see people posting things like, my Facebook bonuses are down, Reels aren't paying like they used to, Facebook monetization is dying, right? The sky is falling. And here's what's actually happening. A lot of new creators are trying to treat Facebook monetization as a salary instead of what it actually is, and that is a bonus layer. Facebook monetization was never meant to be your sole income source. It was meant to reward good media, not to replace an actual business. So when payouts tighten, like in January, when we're coming off of the huge holiday rush, when a lot of businesses had a ton of money to spend for the holiday rush, and in January they pull back a little bit, people who rely solely as bonuses for their income really feel it. And the people who build offers keep things moving forward without even thinking twice. So this is nothing new. These are just cycles that happen that I've seen repeated over a decade now. Now here's the part that most people miss. There are actually 3 layers to making money online. Number 1, and that is the actual platform, Facebook itself, right? They make the most money. Number 2, the media layer that comes from creators like you and I. And then number 3, the offer layer, which is products, services, and brands. And most people just get stuck at level 2, just cranking out content. They post, they get views, and then they wait for Facebook to pay them. And that is honestly the weakest position that you can be in. And I see creators out here all the time talking smack about others that are out here also selling things, but that is what is going to put you in a much stronger position than the person just solely relying on monetization payouts. The real money is created when you use Facebook as a distribution channel and share value at an offer level. And so this is why I always harp on about print on demand and why it is such a genius business model for Facebook creators. Because if you're already out here creating content and Facebook is paying you as a bonus for posting, then you're also able to monetize that attention in a different way and also provide additional value to your community. And then with print on demand as your value offer, you don't have to stock inventory, you don't need a warehouse, there aren't a ton of customer service headaches, and you don't need upfront cash to really get it flowing. You just need your content, a niche, and a system. I love using Printify as my system because it lets you to create spin-off products that align perfectly with your content without you actually becoming the logistics company. So Facebook brings you the traffic, Printify handles the fulfillment, and then you are building a real asset. And this is how you stabilize your income with all of the ups and downs and fluctuations when it comes to monetization on social media. And Now, here's another reason why people struggle. They only chase viral content rather than profitable content. On Facebook, you do not want just random virality. You want on-target virality that is going to bring the right people into your audience. That means a clear niche, a clear audience, like one type of person that you're speaking to, and a clear content angle. So if your page is random memes today, motivation tomorrow, and random opinions next week, Facebook is not going to know who to distribute your content to. But when your content is consistent, Facebook learns really, really fast. And this is why small pages can often out-earn larger pages, because the larger pages may have no focus. So pick one platform and go really, really deep. Just understand you don't need to be everywhere when you start. You need to be excellent in one place. So if you're choosing Facebook, post consistently, learn what your audience responds to, read the comments, and build products that actually match the conversations that are already happening. Facebook truly rewards creators that understand the whole entire ecosystem, not that just simply chase every single viral trend. I've watched this play out time and time again, and so once you fully understand this, you will be solid. So let's get you equipped for the long game mindset. So if you want Facebook monetization to work for the long term, you have to stop asking, how do I get paid the fastest? And start asking the question, how do I actually build leverage? Facebook views come and go, bonuses change, but an audience or a community, a clear niche, products and systems, those compound over time. And that's how you truly turn content into a career. So no, I do not think that Facebook monetization is hard. I just think that it is misunderstood. So it's time to stop treating Facebook like your paycheck and start treating it like a distribution engine. And that's when everything will change for you. So if you want to learn how I combine Facebook content with monetization and print on demand using Printify, check my links down below in the description that'll walk you through the exact setup steps. And let me know in the comments, do you want my next video to be about page strategy, content formats, or product ideas that actually sell? Let me know down below, and I'll see you in the next one.